red stitching and these little carbon fiber little grips right here. Dude, this thing looks nasty, especially in the sun. Look at it. Oh my goodness. Can't wait to get this installed. It's gonna be a very quick install. I have everything already laid out. I got the tools that I need. Jump into today's video and get the steering wheel installed. So step by step on how to install the steering wheel. You need either a ratchet or a cordless ratchet. I bought this set at Walmart for, I think it was like $9 because I don't know where my T20 is at, but you're gonna need a T20 and a pick tool. Preferably, I think it's gonna be this pick tool and then a 24 socket. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna disconnect the battery. Oh, here is we're with our 10 mil. We're gonna disconnect battery. Make sure you guys don't close the door. Make sure you guys kind of leave it unlocked. That way you guys don't lock yourselves out. To see if it's on, it's all disconnected. It's all good. Right there, that little hole, you're gonna have one on this side, one on the opposite side. The first thing we're gonna do with the pick tool is we're gonna shove them in there, pop out the steering wheel, and then from there we'll expose the 24 bolt and then obviously everything else, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so now that you got this off, let me show you guys a quick little example. So with the pick itself, when you guys put it in, to show you guys a better idea of what to expect, this part right here, you're gonna want to flip it upwards. I kept doing it this way, but all I was doing, as you guys can see there, was scratching the metal. So what you want to do is kind of prop it this way, enter like from this side, kind of go straight in. And then from there, you already got your position ready. You just push. You kind of got to keep doing it a couple times, or you can kind of jam the point here and just push. It's a little hard. It's going to take you guys a couple tries, but as you guys can see there, an example right for you guys. Just kind of push it all the way like that, and then this little plastic piece right there will pop out. Okay, and then now from here is the important part. Luckily, we have the battery already disconnected. These tabs right here with your little pick, you're just gonna pop them out, just take them off. They are color coordinated, so you won't mistake them. Yellow with yellow and the black with the black. We have the 24 in the center, and then we got the T20s all around. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get our 24 and we're gonna start to remove the whole steering wheel itself. Alright. So I had to get an extension because this thing was too short. Go. Put this off to the side. And now that we have the bolt removed, I think we can just tug it out. Oh, great heavens! I want to disconnect the harness itself. What's that? And there's a comparison of both steering wheels, Extreme Online Store and Bootylicious Ford Factory. Everything that you guys see here, we're going to transfer it over to the new steering wheel. All these T20s, we're going to remove them, swap them over to this one. Same thing for the back cover and everything. We'll just take everything off, transfer everything, and then we'll be good to go. So once you remove these sections, that's when it's going to expose the paddle shifters themselves, and then behind it will be another T20. You're gonna want to remove that T20, disconnect these as well, and then again, everything on this will go onto this bad boy. We're almost there. Okay, and that's pretty much that. So once you remove the T20s from the paddle shifters themselves, then the whole harness will come undone. You don't have to disconnect everything. You don't have to disconnect the paddle shifters themselves. All you gotta do is just disconnect the ones that connect to these bad boys, disconnect them, and then leave everything attached, and then we'll throw it on. As soon as this comes off though, you are able to pop off this back piece. So we're gonna repeat the same thing. We're gonna put everything back on the new one. And there it is, all assembled, ready to go. All we got to do now is bolt it back on, throw the airbag on, and we're good to go, man. I'm excited for this. This looks so damn nice in the sun. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Get the sucker in there. All right, start mocking everything up. There we go. That's better. Cool. Okay. That's all nice and torqued down. Then we'll just start replacing all these clips back into their color coordinated areas. Luckily, everything is color coordinated for you guys, even up to the paddle shifters. They're all color coordinated. So that's a plus, makes it a lot easier. So we'll just reconnect everything, push it down, bam. And then for this bad boy, I'm just going to snug everything down there. Nice. Boom. Wow, such a transformation, honestly, with just that steering wheel. It's so much more beefier. Oh, great heavens! Dude, peep that steering wheel, dude. Closer and closer we're getting to the wing, to the diffuser, to everything else. Slowly but surely, I mean, we're getting things done to the car quickly before that first payment hits. But now that that's all done, what we're gonna do now is reconnect the battery, make sure, take it for a quick little drive, make sure it's all correctly placed and torqued down. Hopefully I shouldn't be feeling anything crazy. Honestly, the camera does not do justice. This thing is so sick. As you guys can see, I'm gonna do a quick little bam. Peep the carbon, brother. For another video, obviously we're gonna hit the carbon accents. Obviously that's something that's gonna get done. But as of now, I mean, the steering wheel itself, it's straight, it's good to go. No, nothing crazy. All in all, man,